Hey, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I upload these daily videos called Thoughts on Confidence to help us all talk about, think about, and take more action on our confidence, because confidence is the key to helping us show up in a more significant way. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notifications button so that you can get your daily boost in confidence. And today we are talking about taking journeys, because look what I'm doing, packing my bags, off to the UK tomorrow, and yep, let's talk about journeying. Today is day number 181, and the thought on confidence today is: embrace the days when confidence is low. It's just part of the journey. Any good story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. It also has moments of tension and conflict, and then moments of overcoming those conflict. And our individual stories are no different. All journeys have to have these ups and downs, these ebbs and flows. Imagine if it was just one flat path the whole way. It'd probably be a bit dull, don't you think? And so these undulations, they are sent to make our journeys interesting, because that's how we grow, that's how we learn about what we're truly capable of when we are faced with situations that cause us to have to stretch ourselves and realize our true potential and our true strengths. And I have to say, packing to go overseas for more than 2 weeks is, in itself quite a challenge. And I have to say that anxiety levels, they're real, they're showing up at the moment, but we manage it, we deal with it. And I think if we realize that it is just part of the process, that we almost come to expect it, not invite these challenges into our journey, but just expect it, so that when they do come, we're not like taken off guard, we're not surprised that they've arrived, because we know that it is part of the journey. Then we're able to manage it and be kind of matter of fact about these events as they come up. And when we're able to be matter of fact when it comes to these obstacles or these challenges along the way, it kind of takes the woe is me-ness out of it. That's how I've experienced it anyway. And this is the hard part, if you're able to take the emotion out of that situation and kind of look at it from a third-party situation, that's when you really do kind of see that it's not bad luck, and it's not just your luck, and it's not the way life is. You know, it's not a case of shit happens and then you die. No, it's a case of shit happens because shit happens, and we know it's going to happen, so we may as well just prepare for it and deal with it rationally and deal with it effectively when it does happen. And I have to say, like, in all honesty, this going away on this trip has sent my anxiety levels through the roof. I don't know that, I can't remember actually the last time I was this anxious. It happens, you know, it's part of the journey. And it's great to be able to talk here and give advice, and more times than you realize, as I'm speaking these videos, in my mind I'm like, talk to yourself, take your own advice, and so it's almost it's very interesting that what comes up, what the thoughts of the day are, is really what I personally am having to remind myself of, because shit does happen, and the better we can deal with it, manage it, recognize it, the more we can integrate the lessons and have our little growth spurt and then move on. So it's been an interesting couple of days for me to take my own advice, take my own medicine. I'm loving the process, because it is so fascinating. It really is fascinating to observe, as you know, from kind of the person who gives the advice and the person who receives the advice, and implementing everything that I've ever learned about managing, you know, self-management and confidence. I really am walking my talk, that I can tell you. And speaking of walking my talk, the next Conscious Confidence workshop is open for registration. You can go and sign up. It's happening on the 4th of August here in Cape Town. So if you're in the area and you want to get conscious and intentional about your confidence, then make sure that you sign up. I'll put the link to the registration page down below. And once all of this chaos has cleared, meaning Monday when I have arrived in the UK, then I will be sharing some very exciting news related to the confidence workshop. So make sure that you tune in and find out then. And if you are in the UK area, I don't know if you can see it in shot, but I've got my camera over there ready to go. I'm going to be available to take some photos, to do some shoots while I'm in the UK. So if you are looking for updated profile photos, personal branding photos, or just personal, make you feel confident photos, then make sure that you get in touch. And yeah, I think that's it. I've still got some packing to do. It's quite late in the day. Got an early start tomorrow morning, so I will leave it there. Let me know what you think of today's thought on confidence. How and where are you in your journey? And are you being kind to yourself on those days where you are feeling less confident? Or are you beating yourself up? Are you cracking the whip? Let me know in the comments down below. And otherwise, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications button, and I will see you again tomorrow. I'm not sure where I'll be recording the video. We'll see. Might be on the plane, might be in the airport. Yes, it will be somewhere in those kinds of areas. Whatever you do for the rest of the day, do it consciously and do it confidently.